Hey guys, it's the week of April the 27th. I'm going to go over with you a demonstration of how to access your math assignments for this week and how to turn in your math assignments. This week we're going to focus in on metric units and customary units. Remember that metric units are units of measure that we use around the world in other countries, and then customary units are units of measure that we focus on in the United States. All right, so start us off, metric units. I'm going to go ahead and click on metric units. It's going to give me a drop down, so I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on view assignment. Once I click on view assignment, then I'm going to go up here to the right and click on the assignment again. Okay, the assignment's going to open up. There is about 31 slides, I believe. Let's see. Yep, 31 slides. So I want to go in, and these are drag and drop. So I'm going to be filling in the answers from the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling these just like I would the science assignments that I've done in the past. You're just going to drag these answers down here at the bottom up to each problem here. Okay, so I want you to work through those assignments. Once you have worked through the entire pages or the entire slides, the 31 slides, you're going to close out, and then you're going to come over here to where it says turn in, and you're going to click turn in. That same concept is going to apply. So if I want to go to the customary math assignment, I would go down, click on view assignment, and then open that assignment up. Once that assignment opens up, it's still going to be a drag and drop just like before, and I'm going to drag the answers up to the top of where they need to go. Okay, once I have completed, and this customary units assignment here is 43 slides, so once I have completed all slides, I would then exit off and click the turn in button again. All right, guys, I will be posting a how-to review demonstration of customary units and metric units here shortly.